celebration, a Remembrance Day emblem, and appeal fund. This solemn occasion reminds us of the bravery and sacrifice of our fallen heroes, men and women, who gave their lives in defense of our nation, in global peace missions, and in operations at home. Their courage is the foundation of our freedom and unity. Today, we also pay tribute to veterans and salute our serving troops who continue to confront terrorism, insurgency, banditry, and other security challenges. Their resilience, often in the face of grave danger, remains a source of national pride. As a grateful nation, we must honor the fallen, support the wounded, and create and care for all who answer the call to serve. Armed Forces Remembrance Day, marked every 15 January, is a reminder of the cost of peace and the importance of unity. As we honor our heroes, I call on every Nigerian to reject divisive rhetoric and embrace respect, tolerance, and understanding. Our diversity is a natural national asset that must be projected and cherished. Our armed forces have demonstrated exceptional courage across various theaters of operation. Their efforts have restored normalcy to many communities and strengthened national stability. And under my administration, we have entrenched collaboration among security agencies and recorded significant gains. Tens of thousands of insurgents have surrendered. Key terrorist leaders have been neutralized, and many captives have been freed. In our maritime domain, oil theft, piracy, and illegal fishing have been curtailed, supported new platforms, and advanced capability acquired for Army, Navy, and Air Force. As President and Commander-in-Chief, I remain committed to equipping and motivating our military. Security is a central pillar of the Renew Hope agenda. I urge businesses and institutions nationwide to honor our service personnel by attending and extending appreciation, rebates, and priority services as is done in many nations across the world. We continue to improve the welfare of our troops and veterans. My administration has enhanced allowances, upgraded barracks, strengthening health care, expanded Defense Health Maintenance Limited services, and modernized pension verification through BVN and MNI integration. MIN. This reform reaffirms our commitment to dignity and support for those who serve our nation. The Nigerian Legion remains vital in championing veteran welfare. And as Grand Patron, I appreciate the support of state governors and encourage the MDAs to patronize the Legion Corps of Commissioners. thereby harnessing the discipline and expertise of our retired personnel for national development. In line with the Renew Hope agenda, Ministry of Defense is developing Reclaiming the Ungoverned Spaces for Economic Benefit program by utilizing the experience of retired military personnel. This initiative aims to strengthen security and revitalize local economics and prevent the emergence of violence in previously affected communities. This year marks a new chapter in our remembrance activities. The Ministry of Defense has introduced the Key Thank a Soldier QR code, an innovative platform allowing you Nigerians at home and abroad to send message of appreciation to our troops and honor them. This initiative promotes digital engagement and encourages youth participation in national service. Our commitment to indigenous defense capability has been strengthened through the DICON Act, establishing defense industry, technology, research and development institute, ongoing partnership with NACENI, with the Ministry of Mines and Steel Development and the private sector players. We support the development of a munition production complex, saving foreign exchange, creating jobs and expertise, and positioning Nigerians as a rising player in global defense manufacturing. As we launch the 2026 emblem, I urge all Nigerians to wear it with pride. It symbolizes sacrifice, honor, and national gratitude. I call on individuals, businesses, and institutions to donate generously to support our veterans and the families of our fallen heroes. Distinguished guests, veterans, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my honor to formally launch the 2026 Armed Forces Celebration and Remembrance Day emblem and the Appeal Fund. Thank you. May God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria and keep our servicemen and women safe for our country. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Those of the Excellency, President Bola, will mention